See? See the flames? So we can see. There it goes.
It's not fireworks. We've got millions throwing dude. Does it do your I didn't know that. Really? Yeah. When you become the person who got oh, it's going down. I might not get but I might say, I might get like down there and they'll straight down. They're only like 4 competitors, so they might just leave it go out when the time how many are allowed? Of your own choice. Look in the video. Well, why don't we just stay with it because I'm just doing chicken and they have apple juice, orange juice, milk, instead. Those are the best. Do they go into the water?